The next exercise or mobilization technique I want you to do is lacrosse ball to the plantar fascia. Now the key with this exercise is you don't want to be in the heel, because a lot of people that have heel pain, this is going to irritate them. You don't want to be in the toes because you're not going to get much work out of there. You want to be in the meaty part of the foot, between the ball of the foot and the forefoot, by the toes, by the ball of the foot. You want to stay in that meaty range. The key is to find tender spots. The moment you find a tender spot, you're going to cross your left leg over your right leg, and you're going to put some pressure on it. Now from here, like all other lacrosse balling that we've done in the past, I just want you to breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Repeat that 2 more times. From here, you want to find 3 to 5 other segments to do the same technique on. You could add a little bit more of a bonus here, where you could actually bring the toes up while you're massaging. Bring the toes up while you're massaging. Find another spot, bring the toes up while massaging. You could also do this in standing. And standing is a little bit more painful, so we can start sitting and work our way to standing. And again, like all the other movements we've done today, if anything hurts you after the movement, speak to your physical therapist.